Hey guys, Alicia here, your Close to My Heart independent consultant, and I'm here today with the Workshops Your Way documented kit, and this is layout 1. It's a 2-page spread. Each kit comes with, or each kit makes 3 layouts, so 6 pages total. Here you can see what the layout's going to look like. I have all the embellishments we need and the photo place card holders. And I put all my kits in these little baggies, and I have a video on that I can link for you down below. And so now I just like to lay out my 2 pages, and I divvy up the pieces between the 2 pages. So it makes gluing everything down super easy. So I'm using my Tombow permanent adhesive tape runner here. And you guys, I don't do things perfectly, so I'll just turn that off. Problem solved. And I have my grid mat underneath my paper, and that is awesome for lining everything up and getting things exactly where I want them. Now here I am putting down the photo placeholders, and I love these because I never have my photos ready. I don't even know which photos I'm going to use in this layout, but now I know what size I need. So when I'm going through my photos, I'm like, that would be a great, 3x4 photo, and I know exactly what I need to print and how many, so I love that. And I don't use very much tape when I put those down so that they're easily removable and I can put the photo in its place. Or you can leave that there and make it a nice little border if you cut your photo a little bit smaller. But if I were going to do that, I would add a little bit more tape to keep it down better. Now I'm working on some embellishments. This kit comes with a mixture of stickers and chipboard punch-out pieces. So those colorful ones are the stickers, and the BU, those are like chipboard. They're very cute. I started out using the Tombow tape on the back of them, but then I decided to use my glue pen later. The tape's a little bit hard to get on that narrow surface. So here I have my glue pen, and it comes out blue, and if you stick your embellishment down while the glue is blue, it's permanent, but if you let the glue dry a little bit, it becomes a repositionable glue. So that's nice, it's like double duty. And I have more stickers out. I'm just following along with what the instructions say. I'm not getting creative or crazy here. Close to My Heart does such a good job with these layouts that I usually love what they did, and I just do it. I will, at the end of this video series, I have 3 layouts. So at the end of that, I do have a video coming that I make some layouts and cards with the leftover pieces of this kit. So this kit does have leftovers. All the kits always have leftovers at the end that you can do whatever you want with. So stay tuned for that. That'll be posted in the next week or so. So now I'm starting on page number 2. And I'm out of tape, so I'm putting in my replacement. I'm trying to put in my replacement. I always have to flip it around a few times, figure out which way it goes. We are back in business. And again, so for the photo placeholder cards, I don't use very much tape, so you can easily lift it up, put a photo down instead. Here's a little journaling piece. And these embellishments are cool. They're wooden words. Oh, I'm putting something else down first. So they're wooden words and they're stickers. So I thought that was really cool. I'm trying to remove the tackiness from a tiny bit of it because it's going to go over that photo card holder. So I want to just be able to lift it up and slide a photo behind it. Now just adding my stickers, and I'll add some other embellishments. And this layout is close to done. What I did here, so I just cut up some of the sticker backing, and it's not going to be pretty, but it's going to be functional. So I'm going to put that behind the sticker, and that will go over the photo place card holder. And then once I get my photo in place, I can remove the sticker backing and stick that down all the way. So I've also heard people, I think, use, I want to say wax paper behind it, but I say why not just use that sticker backing. It's there, it's free. It's just going to go in the garbage otherwise. Time for some enamel dots. These are cute. They come in purple, pink, and blue. Eggplant, bashful, and I don't know what the blue is. I'll have to look that up. Now I'm just tidying up. You should always clean as you go. Something I've been working on. I'm getting much better at it. And you guys, we are all done. Here is the layout. Isn't it pretty? So there will be 2 more layout videos coming to you soon. So check back. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye guys.